Unlock seamless global communication and master making international calls with Twilio right here, right now. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly make calls to any foreign country through Twilio's powerful platform, ensuring your connections are both cost-effective and reliable. The first crucial step is preparation before you even pick up your device or log into Twilio. You'll need to identify the correct international dialing code for the country you want to reach. This is often represented by 2 or 3 digits and is essential for routing your call correctly. Think of it as the country's specific street address for phone calls. Once you've got your destination country's code, the next step is to ensure you have the right tools within Twilio. This typically involves acquiring a Twilio phone number that supports international calling. You can explore Twilio's offerings in their console to find a number with the country code you need, or a global super network number that can reach many destinations. Authentication is key for security and functionality. You'll need to access your Twilio account SID and Auth token. These are like your secure login credentials, allowing your applications and services to interact with Twilio. Keep these safe and accessible within your Twilio console. Now, let's talk about the action to initiate an international call. Your application or a simple script will send a request to Twilio's API. This request will include the destination phone number, formatted correctly with the country code, and information to identify your account. Twilio's strength lies in its pricing by leveraging their global infrastructure. You can often achieve significantly lower rates for international calls compared to traditional carriers. Review Twilio's up-to-date pricing for international destinations within their console to budget effectively. Reliability is paramount when connecting across borders. Twilio's robust network is designed for high-quality voice communication, minimizing dropped calls and ensuring clear audio. This means your important conversations stay connected. By following these steps, you're not just making a phone call. You're bridging distances and enhancing global communication accessibility, opening up possibilities for business, family, and friends worldwide.